Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be all about deep conditioning. So first, what is deep conditioning? Deep conditioning is basically a major part of anybody's hair regimen. Whether you are transitioning, fully natural, color treated natural, even with the relaxer, you must deep condition your hair. Especially if you're on a hair growth journey. If you're trying to avoid breakage, you have to moisturize and strengthen your hair, or it's just inevitable your hair is going to break off. So basically, deep conditioning is just improving the overall health of your hair by deeply penetrating your hair shaft. So how do we do that? Because a lot of people that I know are not deep conditioning their hair properly. So you spend $25 on a deep conditioner and you just, I'm just gonna deep condition my hair, put it all over your hair and throw a cap on. No, that's not deep conditioning your hair. You have to brush that product through. You have to cover each strand, because a lot of people will put it on the outside, having a lazy wash day, and then you basically just coat it all the outside and you're not getting those deep broken off pieces that may be in the back. So you have to brush that product through properly. The best thing I suggest is to split your hair off into 4 sections and make sure you get that product through. And then the most important part of all of it is heat. You have to deep condition with heat, or you're just not doing it. You're not doing it if you don't use heat. Because what the heat is doing is enhancing the absorption of all the products. It's lifting the cuticle and allowing all that good stuff to get into there and just really give your hair what it needs, versus just applying some product on it and then rinsing it out after 5 minutes. So there are a couple different ways that you can apply the heat. If you don't have a hair dryer, you can use a steamer. You can also use a hot towel by applying the product, putting a plastic cap, dipping the towel in hot water and applying the towel on top of your head. There's hot head caps. There are also foil caps that trap heat that you can also do. There are a lot of deep conditioning caps out there if you don't have a hair dryer. 15 to 30 minutes is all you need. I know a lot of people go to sleep in their deep conditioners. That's fine, but really after that 30 minutes of the heat, you're good. So now that we've gone over the basics of what deep treatment is and how to properly do it, what products do we use? For me, I don't have to use a deep conditioner in order to say that I had a proper deep treatment. You can turn any regular conditioner into a deep treatment by simply just applying heat, like I mentioned before. Find your favorite conditioner and you can turn that into a deep treatment quickly without worrying, oh, well, I don't have a deep conditioner, so I'm not gonna do a deep treatment today. One of my favorite conditioners that is not a deep conditioner that I use for a deep conditioner, this is not something that you have to do, but on days where I don't need a full wash, because I don't shampoo every time I'm on a wash day, I will use this as my detangler, my cleanser, and my deep conditioner all in one, and I'm done. I've only used one product. My wash day was simple and I got my deep conditioning done. I'll set the foundation with this product on wash day by cleansing, detangling, and then once I leave the product on there, sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes, I've had my deep treatment with one of my favorite conditioners. A lot of people focus on their stylers and their puddings and their cream. When you sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes, and your cuticles are being open and all that moisture is being set in, that's where your moisture is coming from. That's gonna set your style and hold your style throughout the days of the week. So for me, by doing that, and then especially when I follow up with something that's already in the same line, they're gonna be working together. So if you have a favorite conditioner, get a good leave-in. That's all you really need. And you can style your hair with that leave-in conditioner. You have your coconut oil, which is gonna be in here already. So you don't need a bunch of products to have moisture. When you are color treated natural, you have to deep condition. If you haven't seen my hair color video, I colored my hair, and in each of the boxes, there was a mango and shea butter conditioner. And even though it was just a packet of this, I used that packet and then turned that into a deep treatment by applying heat. And this is another one that also has a leave-in conditioner to pair with. You can use this for all your needs. styling it with the leave-in conditioner, and you're set for the week. In the end, it's all about the ingredients. I know using Creme of Nature's products, I'm getting certified natural ingredients that are gonna give me the tools that I need to style my hair and to not have to worry about moisture, because I've set the foundation on wash day with my deep treatment using their products and the nutrients that they provide. For example, the coconut milk line has organic coconut oil in it. So I don't have to add that extra step that I used to with my LOC method, because I've already locked in that coconut oil with my deep treatment. So for me, less is more. I don't like using 800 different products to style my hair for the week. So if you're setting that moisture on wash day with your deep treatments, products like Creme of Nature are gonna give you a lot of options for the nutrients that your hair may need. And if you're trying to grow your hair, like I said before, a deep treatment is absolutely necessary, especially if you're a color treated natural. You wanna keep that color moisturized, and using Creme of Nature hair color, it only makes sense for me to make sure that I stock up on those great ingredients with Creme of Nature to deep treat my hair. So comment down below, let me know, was this video informative for you? Did I help you out with deep conditioning treatments? Also, I will put in the description box all the products that I mentioned and where you can get yours. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.